Hello YouTube, this is Kali, and this morning I will go straight to the point. So our word for today is how much. Well, in English, whether you're asking for the price or you are asking how much in a different sense, like how much do you love me, or how much do you like me, how much do you miss me. So there's no other words, right? You only have to use how much. But in Tagalog, actually, there are two ways to ask the question, how much? The first one is if you're asking for the price, you have to say magkano. Again, the word is magkano. Magkano. So, for example, how much is this? Magkano to? Magkano to? Kano to? Magkano. Say it. Okay. And to ask how much in a different sense, you should say gaano. Gaano. Gaano mo siya kamahal? It means how much do you love her? Gaano mo ako kagusto? How much do you like me? Okay, that's it for today, and yeah, subscribe, comment. Bye bye. Good morning.